Hi guys, welcome to a brand new episode of PSLE Maths Secrets Review. In today's episode, we are going to explore this fractions remainder concept type 3. So if you'd like to know how to solve this question and solve it quickly, stay with me all the way till the end and you'll be able to get the exact answer and all the tips related to a question like this. So without further ado, let us do our annotations together. A money box contains some money at first. So, sum, question mark. A took half the amount of money, followed by another $1,500. After that, B took 1/4 of the remaining. And another $850. In the end, C took the rest. And given that C took $1,400, find the amount of money in the box at first. So for a question like this, it'll be very helpful if I'm actually able to draw model. Okay, so model drawing is very effective. So let me show you how to do it. A took half the amount of money. So I would like to draw a long rectangle, as long as I can possibly handle. And I will halve it. I will cut it into two. Okay? So it need not be very accurate so long as it works good enough. So A took half. So I have 1 unit and at the same time another $1,500. So I'll include 1,500. And there we have it. So this means that the red color box, the red color rectangle, will be our remainder. Alright? And at the same time, 1 unit together with 1,500, it belongs to A. And normally what I do is that I would like to shade this part. Okay, so I'll shade it. So it's extremely clear that the shaded portion together with 1,500 is actually 1 unit. Alright? It's actually 1 unit. So next up, my shaded portion is my remainder, and it said that B took 1/4 of the remaining. So this means that the shaded portion has got to be cut into 4 equal parts. Okay, so in this case it's being divided up, and I can't be using units anymore, so I have to be using parts. So 1 part together with 850. So I will indicate 850 in my model itself. The next thing I will do is that I will shade the boxes. Alright, so 850 together with the shaded portion represents 1 part, and 1 part together with 850 belongs to B. Alright, and they actually informed us. Alright, they informed us that there is $1,400 left that was taken by C. So we have 1 part here, another 1 part, and we know that eventually C took 1,400. So C's amount is 1,400. So having got here, the next thing that I have to do or have to recognize is that if C received 1,400, which consists of 2 parts with the shaded portion, and I know that the shaded portion and 850 represents 1 part, so this will actually mean that 3 parts, alright, so 3 parts can be represented by 850, and I add up 1,400. So 850 plus 1,400, which gets us to 2,250, has got to be 3 parts. So 1 part, it will be 2,250 divided by 3. So if I do that, my answer will be 750. So given that the remainder has like denominator 4, so B took 1/4, right? So that means that the remainder is 4 parts. So 4 parts in this case will be 750 multiplied by 4. So if I key that into the calculator, it will give me 3000. So at this juncture, I would like to explain that normally in order not to cause any confusion in my students, I will actually draw a line to separate the parts from the units. Alright? So if you look at the model again, you realize that the entire shaded portion is the remainder. And from what we gather, one unit is actually 1500 plus 3000 plus the remainder. So 1500 plus 3000 gets us to 4500. So given that we are searching for the amount of money at first, and the amount of money at first, right, happens to be 2 units, we are just one step away from the answer. So 4500, if I can multiply that by 2, this will give us 9000. So my final answer in this case has got to be $9,000. So $9,000 is the amount of money in the box at first. Guys, if you enjoyed today's video or you got anything out of it whatsoever, hit the thumbs up, hit the like button. Also comment below, let us know where you guys are tuning in from. That's always good to know. And finally, if you are new to this channel and you haven't already, remember, hit the subscribe, hit the notifications button. There's a little bell sign, by the way, because this year we are committed to making weekly videos to hold you accountable and to make this your best year in mathematics. But for now, this is Teacher Ray signing off. Bye bye.